Mayam Okramjari, I MEETEIS Chamber of Commerce Assam, General Secretary Okram Lakhikanta Singha. Ngasi DC office ta DC unaraga through the DC to the Principal Secretary K.D.K Verma, Election Commission of India, Asoka Road, New Delhi. Memorandum ama haidi complaint ama pisan kare. Complaint se mainly delimitation system ki mataktani. Aikoina mainly pan ki base Lakhipur ki the yamna best tawraga akoina hai ki bani. Wahayamai English ta oina sisinarake. The proposed delimitation draft done for the Lakhipur constituency is totally unfair. The indigenous Manipuris, MEETEIS and the MEETEIS Pangals totally opposed the Lakhipur constituency delimitation as the villages of the MEETEIS and MEETEIS Pangals are being transferred to the Sunai and Udharband constituency. So it must be cancelled as soon as possible. All the indigenous people of Lakhipur constituency doesn't support the proposed draft of delimitation. Reservation of women or OBC caste is must at the Lakhipur constituency. See, a demand those of